Somebody's talking. Are you okay?
Oh.
You need food. You need Indian food.
Yeah, sorry. It's okay.
Hey.
Excel update will revive me. Okay, let me check.
They fixed it.
Okay, let me read. Okay, oh, Ejirati, what did we talk about last week? Put it in the chat. Let's talk. Before we start our booking time stuff, what did we talk about last week? At the end, you can't watch them last week. I'm waiting. Any of the vocabularies that we talked about last week, put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. And then we talk, what is algorithm? Put it in the chat. Or no say Kofi. You have the, let's say, the slang to say algorithm. You may have to tell us what it is. Chenache?
I said,
Chenache. Yeah, put some of the vocabularies that we talked about last week. What? Good for you. Hello, I'm waiting. Oh, President, only David, mobile afiafe. Okay, we talked about Amazon. Okay, what was that about Amazon? I want to hear. I really want to I want to know because if you ask me last week, I was very excited. What the stuff that what was it called? We were reviewing, they were really mind-blowing stuff. And for me, I think what I liked most was when we finished and they showed us the people who are behind it, the men and the women and all that stuff. And some of them look like us. There were lady that where was she from? The Amazon online store. Thank you, Esther. David. Oh, sorry. Okay, anybody else? Amazon online store algorithm, talk about Amazon. What is it about Amazon that we talked about last week? And the lady that they showed last week, where is she from? Hello, Edura team, can you guys hear? Stephen, Edwin.
Yes, madam.
Good afternoon. I'm asking a question about what did we talk about last week? What did we discuss last week?
Bread in the lesson. Okay, let's
I can hear you. Hello? Hey, was I the only one in class last week? Or was it only Mumuni and Esther? What did we talk about last week? We talk about what? Robots, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They also talked about how they didn't have their stuff organized, so it makes it easier to get the stuff.
Okay, so Edwin, David, I'm coming. Edwin, go ahead.
Last week we talked about Amazon.
Okay,
and
what
we did
What is it with Amazon? Give me more meat, more information.
We had a code where we had to explain some of the things that about Amazon, like what was the fastest delivery done, and how they package and how they make the deliveries.
Okay. Okay.
It's how things are organized.
Is it true? Is algorithm how things are organized? Is that the meaning of it? Thank you, Edwin. Is that the meaning of algorithm? Anybody else want to add more to what Esther said? Edwin, go ahead. Are you with Zachariah?
Wanted to say
Edwin, go ahead. Sorry.
An algorithm is like a database.
Okay. A database. And then what does it do?
It organizes the information.
Okay.
On the computer.
Okay. Thank you. Esther and Edwin. Is Zachariah with you, your friend?
it was him who was answering.
Oh, your voice are the same. Thank you, Zachariah.
You're welcome.
Good job. Okay, so anything else? Anything else, guys?
We talked about databases.
Okay. What else did we talk about? There was some other words. Uh-huh.
I forget what it was. Coding.
Coding. Okay.
And we also talked about robots,
Uh-huh.
how they find things and how they repair something.
Okay, so Esther is saying that coding and how the robots carry stuff, right? Okay. So what was some of the stuff that the robot was doing at the Amazon warehouse, the fulfillment center? Can somebody give me the ABC at the Amazon fulfillment center? Anyone? Okay, go ahead, Edwin or Zachariah.
It's be Edwin.
Zachariah.
The robots were carrying these pods around to the pickup centers.
Thank you. They were carrying robots around. That's great. There was one thing also that they were doing.
Oh wait, they had to wait in line.
They had to wait in line.
Yeah, when they needed
Esther.
they repaired itself.
Okay. We're gonna watch a quick video on the algorithm, and then I have a quick video about the Amazon. It's like a short video, and then from there we will do our block it. Okay. And before anything, as I was saying, I have this for those that were here last week. It's a certificate, right? That you guys will be getting, and it's about certificate of completion for Amazon Future Engineer. Hereby acknowledge that. So you put your name here, and then this is not signed by EBI, just by the way. It's signed by the Amazon Tech Robotic and Fulfillment Center. And so they are the one giving you guys this certificate, okay? And so I will be sending, let me make sure. Oh,
That's it.
hold up.
David said the game is good. We are going to buy it.
Okay, so Joseph Prim Levan, he is the one releasing the certificate, okay? So I'm gonna email to the teachers, and then you guys can distribute to the students that you were there last week, so that they can have this. Okay, so this is just as we end our stuff for the virtual field trip that we had last week. And so now I want us to, this is something, you see, when we bring new vocabularies and stuff, sometimes it feels like it's nothing, but they keep repeating itself every year. These words keep coming back. Coding, algorithm, data, database, they keep repeating themselves. And so we've been saying that the earlier you take your time to really understand what these words or what these vocabularies or acronyms and stuff really stand in the what is it called, the computer world or the technology world or our everyday life, it will be better for you, so that, hold on for me. Hey, Ariane, are you here? Okay. Ariane is downstairs. Who? Oh, yeah, so they're more better for you, okay? So with that being said, let me share. And
I've heard the term algorithm recently, whether it was online or maybe in some conversation about technology. It's a word that gets thrown around a lot, but what exactly does it mean? Well, simply put, an algorithm is a set of steps used to complete a specific task. They're the building blocks for programming, and they allow things like computers, smartphones, and websites to function and make decisions. But in addition to being used by technology, a lot of things we do on a daily basis are also similar to algorithms. Let's say you want to make some spaghetti. In order to do this successfully, there's a certain set of steps you need to follow in a particular order. First, you need to boil a pot of water. Once it's boiling, you then add the spaghetti and cook it for a set amount of time, stirring occasionally. Once it's finished, you drain the water and then it's ready to be served with a sauce of your choice. That entire process is actually an algorithm. Because you followed those steps in that order, you reached your desired outcome, a delicious pasta dish. But if you were to make a mistake, say over or undercooking your noodles, it probably wouldn't be as good. Programs work in a similar way. Their code is made up of algorithms telling them what to do. Let's say that we want to use a navigation app to get directions. When we punch in a destination, the app uses an algorithm to look at the various available routes. Next, it uses a different algorithm to check the current traffic. And then a third one takes that information and calculates the best available route. All of these algorithms are built right into the app's code. If there were any kind of error in that code, the app wouldn't be able to follow these algorithms correctly, meaning you wouldn't receive your directions. Both of these examples show how both humans and computers can use algorithms to perform everyday tasks. The difference is that computers can use algorithms and calculate things better, faster, and more efficiently than we can. Technology is only going to continue to evolve and get even better at what it does. As long as coding and programming continue to be used, algorithms will be at the heart of these technologies, guiding what they do and how they do it.
Okay.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.
Okay, so let me pause this for now. So do we understand the whole algorithm? Because you see how it shows what our everyday life is when we are following step-by-step approach, and how we translate that into the tech world, okay? And so, as I have said, please kindly pay attention to these vocabularies and stuff. Now, last week, we saw these robots. It didn't look like this last week. It looked like a real one, right? But today, we are breaking this thing down more for you to see how the stuff that Amazon is using are things that you and I can create and can program for them to work and help people, whether in our homes, in our jobs, our schools, our marketplaces, anywhere that we choose or we see that there's an issue and there is a need. And so I want to play this. It's the Amazon in the classroom. How did the people who have created this move things from the classroom to what? Companies and stuff like that. Okay. And I'll put a link. What happened to the audio? Why is it not playing?
No, it's a mute. It's muted. The YouTube is muted.
It's not. I'm coming. Okay, I know you guys cannot hear. I'm coming. It was playing not long ago.
Come over here. Let's see. Hey, where's the 101?
I closed it because it wasn't working.
This one.
Yeah,
It's not working.
the thing just played not long ago
Where will it play?
from the same system.
Oh,
This one.
okay. No, it is.
Let me
Think
try
that you're
again.
on a different place. You are sharing this screen.
Buy on Amazon. When we get your order, we find the item, pack it up, and ship it to your house. And robotics. My job. Oh, hey there. My name is Hercules. I'm a robot built and programmed by the engineers at Amazon Fulfillment Technologies and Robotics. My job is to bring large shelves of items you can buy on Amazon to the employees within an Amazon Fulfillment Center. Did you know over 750,000 robots are working alongside Amazon employees? Here's how my fellow robots and I work alongside Amazon employees.
Have you ever wondered how humans and robots work together at Amazon? From the moment a product enters our fulfillment center until it heads out to a customer, Amazon technology helps our associates in so many incredible ways.
Amazon introduced our drive unit robots in 2012, which led to 300,000 new full-time jobs.
These are the Stow Stations. They use artificial intelligence and computer vision.
Yeah, pretty cool.
This is the Palletizer. It uses computer vision to stack totes of products.
There's so much cool technology that goes into this.
Oh yeah? Like what?
Well, like 2D imaging, a laser sensor, high motion performance, and 165 kilogram load capacity.
Wow. Amazing.
Our tech vest helps communicate with the robots to keep us safe while working on the field.
I think your tech vest could use a little more tech.
Thanks, but I think my vest already has everything it needs.
Today I'm using Upwork to hire a WordPress developer. I'm going to try using Upwork AI. It's great that you can just write a couple sentences and they create the rest of the job description.
Incredible!
I know, right?
With Amazon's human and robotic powers combined, we are building the future of technology together.
Now, let's check out a real Amazon Fulfillment Center. Here's where we store all the items you can buy on Amazon. When we get your order, we find the item, pack it up, and ship it to your house. Let's take a closer look.
I feel like I've been in meetings all day with no time to do anything.
We switched the ClickUp with everything in one workspace. We got our time back. Here, let me show you.
Did you know Amazon has over 175 fulfillment centers around the world? Most are 1.2 million square feet, almost as big as 28 football fields in a row. Inside, we have all kinds of things that help us send your items. For example, before you buy something, it's kept in soft pods. Here comes a robot. Hey, that's me. I bring the pods to the station, so our employees don't have to. At the station, your items go into a yellow tote that keeps them together. Did you know we use the color yellow so our employees can see the product better? And here we have conveyor belts. They move your order to where it needs to go next. This is the final package in a perfectly sized box, ready to go. Let's meet some friends of mine.
Oh, hey, Hercules. What brings you here?
My friends want to learn what you do.
Sure thing. I work inside the fulfillment center and bring packages to what we call an outbound dock.
What's an outbound dock?
It's where we send packages for the next phase in the order process. Let's say 50 packages are all going to Seattle. I help bring those 50 packages to a large Amazon truck, which then brings those to a sort center.
So, you don't drive your packages all the way to people's homes?
No, we stay safely inside the FCs. My friend Cardinal places packages into something called a go-kart. I then pick up a go-kart and bring it over to our outbound dock.
You sound just like me.
I'm similar but different. I use something called simultaneous localization and mapping, where I use my sensors to see everything around me and figure out where I am. A fleet manager tells me where I need to go, but I can choose my own path there and avoid anything that's in my way.
Thanks for sharing, Proteus. I'm super excited to share with our friends here. Let's go. Hi, Pegasus.
Hi, Hercules. I'm so excited you and your friends are here.
Can you tell us what a sort center is?
Of course. They're similar to fulfillment centers, only we move around packages instead of single items.
How do you sort the packages?
Great question. Packages come into the buildings from trucks, where they go on a conveyor belt. A robotic arm named Robin places them on my friends and me.
Did you know our newer robots can carry more than 1,000 pounds? That's nearly the weight of a grand piano. What happens next?
I take the packages to a chute and slide them off. Here, let me show you.
Why are we sorting packages here?
Each package has a destination, like your house. We use the area code where you live to make sure it gets to you.
So, you also deliver the packages to someone's home?
No, we guide packages. We don't actually deliver them.
Well, who does?
We have buildings called delivery stations. Amazon uses technology to identify each package and place them onto smaller delivery trucks, which complete the order.
Can you tell me more?
Trucks from sort centers are unloaded and packages are organized into routes, then placed into route bags. Delivery drivers load their route bags into their vehicles and begin delivery.
Are there any robots working in the delivery stations?
Yes, there are more Hercules bots in automated delivery stations.
There's more of me?
There are. Amazon is always looking for ways to use technology and robotics in our buildings.
Thanks for sharing, Pegasus. Oh, look, Proteus came back. Hey, you mentioned that Amazon engineers tell you what to do.
Yes, they tell you and Pegasus what to do too. Engineers design me to choose my path so I can avoid things in my way.
Can I be an engineer?
No, Hercules, you're a robot. But your friends here can.
Really? What do they need to do to become an engineer?
Oh, I know. Pick me. Keep learning all about science, technology, engineering, and math. And you too can become an Amazon engineer.
That's incredible. Maybe one day they can program us. Well, folks, that's all we have for you today. I hope you learned lots about Amazon and what we do. Oh, looks like I'm running low on battery. Better go charge up. See you later.
Okay, so this quick video sums up the 45-minute stuff that we learned about last week when we were going over different stations from how Amazon systems are working with humans at Amazon to make fulfillment. And when we say fulfillment is what? How they are fulfilling people's order, okay? When somebody buys something, as you saw from this video right now, when somebody buys something, what happens from the time they click purchase and they make payments to the time the item get to their home. And last year, when we did the agriculture industry, we talked about how we get food from farm to what our homes, okay? And so again, the transportation industry is very, very important. And every industry is very, very important. Just like the human body, every part is what important. Everybody in every industry is contributing to our society, our world, our homes and our schools and all those places, the hospitals, to make the world or our life what a better place for all of us. I hope I'm making sense. And so with that being said, what the Amazon Fulfillment Center is doing is nothing different from somebody going to Makola and then asking them, I want to buy a cloth or a kente or bakateri or something, you know. And then the person looking through the store at that moment and realizing that they don't have that particular one at the store, but they have it in their warehouse. And the person sending someone to go to the warehouse and go and look for that exact size and the exact design and colors and bringing them to the store for the person to what? Get it and purchase it. And I know in Ghana, they have those Yango delivery guys, and also they have different the motorcycle delivery guys and stuff like that. And all these things, there are systems in place. It might not be as robust, right? Or capital intensive. Amazon have the money to be able to do this. But mind you, Amazon didn't start like this. It took a time gradually to build itself to be this household name that everybody's enjoying. They started small and they build themselves little by little to now where they are. And if you ask me, probably like 2-3 years ago or so, I might be wrong, or 5 years or 7 years ago, there was no Amazon movies, you know. But now Amazon is now shooting movies and stuff. They have their own studio. Like they are always evolving and developing and adding on. But that is not how they started, okay? And so with that being said, today I want us to go over some of the stuff that we have learned and discussed this past spring spring session from January to now. January, what did we talk about in January? Anybody? I want to know how did we begin the year this year?
We started off with the word.
What did you say?
We started off with the word.
Okay, we start off with what?
A word.
Okay. And can you put in the chat for me? I need to read. Yeah.
What said the word?
Whatever you said. Okay. Anybody? I want to know if you guys remember what we discussed in January and February. Okay. What do you mean by word? What does that even mean? What word are we talking about? Anybody remember? David, add more to your stuff because I don't get it. Perseverance. Okay. We start off with the phrase or the word for EBI, which is perseverance. Okay. And what did we talk about perseverance? Don't give up. Okay. And then what else? We did what? The pledge. Okay, thank you. So January, we focus on our mental health, right? And we talked about some of the things that we talked about all the stuff that we encounter in our homes, we encounter in our school, at the mosque, at church, in the community. We talked about all those things and we discussed how behaviors, whether it's coming from our friends, our family, ourselves, we have control of how we react and we have control of how we treat other people. Remember that? So we talked about how we did the circle, and in the circle we discussed things that we have control over and the things that we don't have control over, right? And then after that, we discussed that when how people behave, we have the power to react or not to react. And then I discussed that I know our high school students, we guys were with Miss Rena for almost like 3 weeks, chatting with her and talking about things that you guys are facing at your age level. But then I was with the little ones. And so I can talk about the little ones. Anybody in high school that want to share a few of the stuff that was discussed with Miss Rena, I will look forward to learning or listening. But for us, we discussed about the things that we have control, going to bed early, studying for our exams, learning, reading, we don't have control of how we look. Once I say how we look, the texture of your hair, you don't have control over that. Your eyes, how big or small, you don't have control over that. Your nose, your skin color, you don't have control over that. You don't even control over where you stay or where you sleep. Many times it's your parents who have given you a place to stay or sleep. And even many times what you eat, you don't have control over it. Whatever is in the house is what you are eating, right? And then, but you have the power to eat the food that is being provided for you. It's being provided for you. But if you choose not to eat it and you don't get a nutrient, that is something that was a choice or a decision that you made. So there are situations like even your height, how tall you are, how short you are, all those things. So many times people look down on themselves, they critique themselves, they insult themselves about how they are looking and all that stuff. But that is not, you did not make yourself, And so we talk about this stuff and we discuss how you have to keep believing in yourself. And even when you hit a roadblock, continue to find ways to overcome it. And I shared with you guys that there are many times where you find yourself, let's say you were in class 5 and beginning of class 5 or stage 5 or grade 5, you were having issues, difficulties understanding math or English or science or whatever. But then as the year was about to end, you were now very, very good in math. You were able to master it. Now the school is over. You are now in grade 6, class 6. And here you are, it's a new subject, a new curriculum, a new lesson, and you are finding it difficult. Then all of a sudden, you telling yourself that you are so stupid, you are so dumb, you don't have what it takes to be able to do math. You are forgetting that as you are growing, life is introducing new subjects or new opportunities for you. And so it's not that you don't know what to do or you are slow or you are dumb. No, you are very wise. You are very smart. You have the capabilities. Sometimes it's a matter of asking for help. It's a matter of pausing and breaking the situation down into different chunks or pieces of information to be able to understand what is right in front of you. But to give up should never be the option. Am I making sense? And so that is how we ended up with the word perseverance, because as school year finishes or you close or you vacate and stuff, and you go to the next grade, it's a whole different growth. And if you don't get it, it's because you are new in the grade or the class. And so allow yourself to learn, to understand and capture the new knowledge that you are gaining. Okay. And so that was that. And then from there, we went over and we discussed financial literacy. Anybody want to talk about financial literacy? What we got from that? How to save and spend money, how to budget. Okay. And so what was some of the stuff that we did on our financial literacy stuff? How to make money a tool. Thank you. We went to the markets. Yes. Anybody else? Ejuratin, Francis is not here. Agona, anybody? Agona, anybody? Nobody? Edwin? Okay. Nobody remembers what we talked about in financial literacy? How to take care of yourself. Okay, what does that even mean, Mumuni? Explain to me on how to take care of yourself. That statement. Agona people, are you guys there? Okay, Gerard, whoever said how to take care of yourself, can you explain, please? Anyone? I'm waiting. Stephen, for our financial literacy class, what were some of the key takeaways? Okay, Ariane said how to budget properly. How did we budget properly? We gave you guys a budget. And what did you guys do with that budget? What did you do? You made a fruit salad. And then what was some of the stuff that you gained from that? I need to get. Somebody said they learn how to make salad or fruit salad. Okay. They learn responsibility, and then what else? How to spend money. Before you guys went to the market, you had a price. You made a prediction of how much you think is going to cost, right? And then after that, the next thing was what? Being able to go to the store and then buy. And then if you said the the mango or the orange was going to be 5 cedis or $5, and then you got to the store and then you realized that it was 7, that means you get extra $2 or 2 cedis, right? To add on to it. Am I making sense? Or if it was 3, that means you saved extra what? $2 or 2 cedis. And so you realize that sometimes you can budget and then you go to the store and you realize that what? It is not enough, or you had an extra money what left. And then after you finish, you were able to say, okay, I had 50 cedis, or I had $10 or $20, and I was able to feed 5 people or 20 people. And so you divided it. And then out of that, you're able to come to a conclusion how much money you spent in feeding a person. And these are the things that even in the school cafeteria, canteen, they do. When you go to event, they'll tell you that whatever food that you want, it will cost $50 or 50 cedis per person, you know? And so that they are cooking 50 cedis food for what, per person or per individual. Even though they'll say, oh, we are charging you 50,000 or whatever 1,000 Ghana cedis or dollars, they are giving you or telling you that if you are bringing in 100 people, divide that 50,000 or 5,000 per 100. Am I making sense? So that's what we learned. And we learned that money is not bad. Managing money, having power over money is what we all need. Money is what is the currency that people use in buying produce, buying things, your innovation, your ideas. You need what? Money to bring them to life. Okay. So don't let anybody tell you that money is bad, money is evil. But one thing is that do not allow money to control you. You have to get the power to control what? Money, making it what? More profitable and useful for you, your family, your community, your nation, and globally. Okay, so that is just that. And then after the financial literacy, what did we talk about? Hello, after financial literacy, what did we talk about? Hello. After financial literacy, what did we talk about? Huh? Anybody? What? Okay. I paused the audio because as you guys are preparing, I want you guys to join the class, join the code. We are testing our knowledge on almost everything.
Young Croc. Hey, if I know what Crocs is.
I'm waiting for you guys to join. We have what's it called? This is about 50 questions. 50? Mm-hmm. Yes. And the person that gets the most, the person that gets the most in Ghana, I owe you 100 cedis.
What about US?
$0.
Joining for the love of the game.
No, I'm not giving you any money.
I'm not getting any.
I'm gonna even take your
joining
money.
just to make sure no one else gets money.
I'm gonna actually take your money from you.
No, this one we have
It's
to
not
go to
fair.
Indian restaurant.
Indian restaurant. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, I like those. Usually, what's it called?
Hey, you spell my name wrong.
Good for you.
It's right here. No, it's not on there. It's not. You gotta.
Oh, the teacher. How did you get it?
Why are you so late?
You are something wrong. Thank you.
You're so late. My name is Nick.
Where did you get this design from?
I designed it.
Yeah. You're a leprechaun.
Wow.
Hey, guys, what promo should I choose? I don't care. I don't know. Okay. Really?
If I go get my phone, let me give my $50.
No, buy your 100. That's all.
Hey. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so a nice design.
That's what I want for the meeting on Thursday. I went.
Yeah, what promo should I choose? I don't know. Wait, go. How do you get?
No, you have done well with it.
Well, of course you.
Like I wasn't thinking about this one. Well, that's why they pay you to think like that. Oh. So we put this one inside your clothes.
Yeah, so when you go to places, you don't need any badge to write your names.
Levi, I'm giving you this. Your name is on it.
Yes.
Bro,
Wow. Levi, I need my glasses. Oh, you have done well. Oh,
There you go. You just
yeah, I'll be
do you.
no, I won't.
So now saying like the accent. Hey, more info.
What are you looking for? Okay,
Yeah. Where thou art? Where thou thou? Oh, I kind of say, oh, him from
After sales record.
It looks so expensive. Come and enjoy your seat. Yes, you seat.
You see, I did 2 for me based on where I am or where I'm going.
Oh.
So
Wait, you're saying
no.
travel?
Hey, it's a A. Hey, hello. Hey, Mumbaso. Esther, where are you at? Oh, Ian. Oh.
It don't say executive director.
But see the words.
Mommy, I don't want to play.
Your name
I forgot about the competition. What?
So do I press capture area? Like, what do I press?
Okay, then we can't take this. We can't take this. I'm going to have to stop it.
Bruh.
Yeah, Obia and Basso.
How?
Yeah.
Are you muted?
No, I'm not muted.
Like, go get my kids.
You know something? No reason to help you. I don't. I honestly don't.
You know where my dog
Why are you mad at me? I'm not mad at you. I'm saying the most stuff you done to me. I feel like I should help you. Esther, help me join the bucket.
I already did.
Oh yeah.
I see you, Levi. I can see you now. At first, I wasn't even seeing Levi. I see you. I'm surprised that you can play the game, Levi.
Alright, fine, I'll show you off the grass.
They have given you the medicine.
Best was.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you at?
And I'm 8-0. Go back and do it.
Please, my my computer went off. It wasn't working. So I had to turn it off.
No, I'm sick. I didn't come for me, okay? It's from Harriet. You know what I think every time.
Olympic, I'm done.
Okay. Anybody else? Like, what is it? Okay. It looks like we don't have enough students to do um the blockades. So what is it called?
Oh no. Please, madam.
Uh-huh.
I think Zachariah can try to get his own account to play Blue Cat himself.
Yeah, what is it called? You know what? Let's do it. It's okay. Let me. Whoever wants to do it, let's do it. And then
Okay, play go. I see it ready. Oh, wait, yeah, you want to play? Wait, Carol.
okay, let's start.
Wait.
Okay, let's start. We have 2 minutes to start. Ready, guys?
Pretty sure you don't want to play?
So, where are you guys at? Ejura folks. Ejura for more. There's nobody in Ejura. Okay, let me.
Karen. Okay, yes. Huh? Go back to play. Wow. Come.
Everybody is sleeping.
No. Yeah. What? No. Everyone to go. Actually, you can be faster. Faster. It's part of the
Seriously? I was
Yay! Okay, I won.
good for you.
No one gets you.
Because you cheated.
How did I cheat?
Neither. I was just on the computer one day and I saw Look at Teats and I was searching.
That was quick.
No, that was not.
Oh, okay.
Second.
Good job, guys.
So they
You saw it.
First.
I know you too.
I didn't cheat. That was quick. You.
Why are you letting people on your computer? And then
So it's not bad. I know it's very few of you, but that's
only
good.
got two.
I got 100% accuracy.
Yeah, that's a lot.
David got 100%.
That's a lot.
That's the questions
Wait,
are not
look
that
at
hard.
mine. Look at mine. I only got two.
And you haven't been paying attention.
I only got two wrong.
Yeah, some we didn't get as much question.
Mommy, I only got two wrong, right?
Questions.
I'm Daddy. I didn't get that question.
Do you have money?
No, I didn't have it.
Oh, they gave you guys random questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't give us that kind of questions.
Okay.
That's what most of the questions wrong.
What do you
Okay, guys. So how do I go about it? I really had other stuff for us to discuss and wrap up for the day.
look?
But it looks like a lot of people didn't come to class today because it's like the last day. Edwin and Zachariah, I will reach out to your mom and then we will talk about the next step, okay? And Zachariah, I hope to see you more. And what else? August, right? In August, we are going to do art and tech for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. So get ready for that. So Edwin and Zachariah, you can put it in your calendar. August 3rd to August 14th, I think. That is when we are going to do the summer camp. Okay. So put it in there. And if anything pops up, I will share with your parents or the team leaders. And we're calling it done. I did not see, I don't know what happened to a direct team, but anybody have any question for me before we end today's session?
I not see.
Obi, what question be? Oh, sure, the whole time I was talking now. Oh, guys, sorry. The whole time I was talking, nobody could hear me. Forgive me. I was saying, I had other things to discuss, but the amount of people in class today is not encouraging to continue. So we are going to end today's session. And Edwin and Zachariah, I was saying, I hope to see you guys in our summer camp, which is going to be August 3rd to August 14th. Friday. So kindly
Okay.
yeah, so I look forward to seeing you guys.
Sure.
Okay.
Also, I look forward to see you guys also.
Awesome. And Edwin and Zachariah, I don't know whether you guys can make it, but I will be in Ghana, having the Steam Fest in Ghana this coming July 8th. Let me see if I can share.
We'll be in vacation in July 8th, so I think we can go.
Oh, I meant July 11th, so forgive me.
Yeah, we'll be in the entire month.
No, that's August.
August.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. For the August one, yeah, we know you guys will be on vacation. That's why we put it in August. So that
Okay.
yeah. And the US team will be on vacation around that time, so we can do the back-to-back Monday to Friday. And so, where is oh. Oh, what happened to the video I was showing yesterday? Oh, right here. I mean, so I was actually said, Nepal, David, Abubu, please mute yourself. When I was looking for you people, you were not here. Remember me this table me. I was asking, what's it called? I was telling you guys about the Steam Fest, right? David, you guys got my email yet? Musaka me email no, David.
Yes, madam.
Okay, yo. So, what is it called? Those who joined the competition, they have received their email to know that they are coming to Kibi or Chebi in the Eastern region. So the Steam Fest, those who are asking what is the Steam Fest about, let me share. I have a oh. Oh. Hold on for me, please.
The pens made you forward. The notice. Thank you. Hey, pen, don't let me back.
Okay, so this is what the Steam Fest is going to be about. It's a day of innovation and competition. Some of our US students are coming with us to Ghana, and we are taking about 10 high school students from Maryland to Ghana with us. And some businesses are also coming. There will be hackathon, live coding, race and stuff, hands-on workshop, exhibition, and then there will be health screening, okay? And it's happening at the Kibi Presbyterian College of Education, okay? If you want to learn more, you can scan the barcode, or you can go to this website, which is, let me see if I can go on.
You come.
Hey, what's my bed? I didn't grab it. That's why I here.
Okay, so we have students who are going to be coming what is it? Let me close this. We are 6 weeks away. Oh my God, 6 weeks.
6 weeks away.
6 weeks away to the Steam Fest. It's scary, but this is how the place is going to be. There'll be inside and outside. We are looking for performers, dancers, poetry. People want to say, give up spoken words. If you want to do that, let us know. We'll put you on there. And so I'm excited, and there's a lot of work going on for this to happen. And so and we will be broadcasting it live, or it will be on social media live and all that stuff. And so I look forward to those who will be at Kibi or Chebi to see you guys and stuff like that. But if you want more, ask your parents to reach out and I can share more. For the our every half that is coming, if you're ABI students and you are coming with a team, we have the hostel at the Kibi Presby College of Education that we will house you guys for that Friday and then Saturday. And so let us know, and then we can plan for you accordingly. Okay. So that is that. So if there's no question, this is the end of our spring session, and we will be talking and chatting on WhatsApp if you are there, or the message sent section. And if you have any question, you can always message me. And what is it? August, we will have our summer camp, which I will be sending more information about it very soon. But yeah, will be a question, mommy, before I end today's session. Anybody have a question for me?
Do you have your phone?
No, I don't have no. I thought you gave it to charge.
So
Yeah, it's charging. Then you have to
the summer camp, if you want to learn more about it,
you gave it to David.
It will be given to me.
You give it to David and told David that David charged my phone. And right now you don't know where, you know you gave it to David.
so this page is set up for the US team, but of course you can go and learn more about whatever is happening and stuff like that. Okay. But we will talk and continue from there. But this is how it's supposed to. We are learning about the Edinkra symbols and then creating these Edinkra cards that will light up like the greeting cards. Okay. So that is what we will be working on. Okay. So, but yeah, we're gonna learn about the technology behind it. Okay. And circuits and all that stuff. So if no question, Nyame Adumwa, next 8 until we meet again. Okay. All the best.
Show me something. Show me.
What's that?